Hi guys, my name is Kateryna and today we're gonna cook borscht. So let's get out and get everything what we need. Come on! Everything what do we need and we're ready to cook borscht. Yay! I'm ready guys, let's do it. First step, let's wash our hands. We need to pour water in our pot and we're gonna do broth. And now we're gonna put the chicken in our pot. I think 3 pieces is enough. And while it's getting ready, let's chop our veggies. I think 1 or 2 carrots is enough. And be careful with your fingers. Especially when you model. So right now we're gonna cut our onion. I never cry, I'm always happy, so not this time. Someone is crying. So now we're gonna fry our onion with carrots. My first borscht, it was in Tokyo when I was 15 because I missed like food in Ukraine. I mean, it was not good as my mom cooked, so I hope this one is gonna be good. So now we can fry our carrots with our onion. Let's mix it. And now we're gonna grate our beets, the main ingredients of this dish. We can mix it with our carrots and onion, so let's do this. So let's fry our veggies for about 5 minutes. So here's a good tip. So if you want to make sure that your soup is gonna be red, you need to add lemon juice, a little bit. Now we're gonna add to our fried veggies like 4 spoons of tomato paste. Now it's potato time. So right now we're gonna separate our meat from bones. Oh, wow. Now we can add to our potato. Let's leave our broth with meat and potato for about 5 minutes. While it's getting ready, we can grate our cabbage. Yeah, let's slice this up. It's pepper, it's garlic. Let's cut it. How are we gonna clean garlic? Let's put it inside and do like this. No, it doesn't work. So now we can add our fried veggies to our soup. Now it's not soup, now it's borscht. Real Ukrainian borscht. So the last step in borscht, we should add our garlic and pepper for decoration. The pinch of salt and the pinch of pepper. in Ukraine, like Russia, Belarus. So we eat borscht with bread. That's the most ingredient. Look at this power, huh? So we're gonna leave our borscht like for about 10 minutes and let's prepare our decoration. We're gonna use sour cream and cilantro. No words. Oh my goodness. Мам, я, в общем, приготувала вже борщ. Можеш перевірити, як це взагалі виглядає? Що ти думаєш? О, спасибі.
Умничка.
Дякую. Все, пока.
Did she approve?
Yes, she said, wow, that's good. I mean, that's the best moment, no? When I try to cook like borscht and she said, wow, it's good. That's why I'm here. Oh, so I'm done and I'm ready to taste it. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So good. Oh my goodness. If I can do it, you can do it at home. Yeah, just do it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.